Looking to buy a high-quality music player? Today, we're comparing two popular options from FiiO, the M11 Pro and the M11 Plus. Let's find out which one fits your needs. The M11 Pro came out first and costs around $650. It has dual AK44970 AC chips and THX AAA78 amps. You get a 5.15-inch screen, 3 gigs of RAM, and 64 gigs of storage. Battery life is about 9.5 hours. It runs on Android 7 with a Samsung Exynos chip. The M11 Plus is the newer model at around $700. It also has the DAC chips and THX amps, but here's where things get better. You get a better 5.5-inch screen with more vibrant colors. It has 4 gigs of RAM instead of 3, making apps run way smoother. The processor is a Snapdragon 660, which is way faster than the old Samsung chip. Plus, it runs Android 10 instead of Android 7. When it comes to battery life, the M11 Plus is a big win. It packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery that lasts 14 hours on balanced mode. That's over 4 hours more than the M11 Pro. The M11 Plus also has a cool diamond cut glass back that reflects light beautifully. Both players support the same audio formats and have balanced outputs. Both can work as USB DACs and support MQA. So, which should you buy? If you want the best performance and don't mind spending $50 more, get the M11 Plus. You get better battery life, a faster processor, more RAM, a bigger screen, and a new software. The M11 Pro is still great, but it uses older tech that's harder to update. For most people, the M11 Plus is the smarter choice. It's more future-proof and runs smoother. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.